5 Facts about Humidifiers. Humidifiers are devices that add moisture to the air to prevent dryness that can cause irritation in many parts of the body. Humidifiers can be particularly effective for treating dryness of the skin, nose, throat, and lips. They can also ease some symptoms caused by the flu or common cold. Humidifiers add moisture to the air, which can benefit people with respiratory symptoms or dry skin. Dry air can cause moisture to evaporate from the skin and respiratory symptoms to worsen over time. Adding moisture to the air with a humidifier can counteract these problems. Humidifiers can help people who experience dry skin, irritated eyes, dryness in the throat or airways, allergies, frequent coughs, bloody noses, sinus headaches, and cracked lips. But overusing humidifiers or not cleaning humidifiers properly can potentially worsen respiratory problems and cause other health conditions. Always use a cool mist humidifier, especially for children. Warm mist humidifiers can cause burns if the person gets too close. Place the humidifier several feet, approximately 2 meters, away from the bed. Do not run a humidifier for a long time. Set the unit to 30% to 50% humidity. If room surfaces are constantly damp or wet to the touch, mold and mildew can grow. This can cause breathing problems in some people. Use distilled water instead of tap water. Tap water has minerals that can collect in the unit. They can be released into the air as white dust and cause breathing problems. Different types of humidifiers available are steam vaporizers. These use electricity to create steam, which cools before it leaves the unit. However, there is a risk of burning the skin, and people should avoid using steam vaporizers around children. Ultrasonic humidifiers. Instead of electricity, these units use vibrations to vaporize water. Evaporators. These produce humidity by blowing air past evaporating water. Impeller humidifiers. These are generally child-friendly and use rotating discs, rather than heat, to vaporize water. Central humidifiers. Connects one of these units to the central air conditioning in the home or office to add moisture to the entire space. Humidifiers are often classified as console and portable or personal. Console units are meant to add moisture to the entire house. They're often very large but usually have wheels, so you can easily move them around. Console units are meant to add moisture to one room. Personal, or portable, humidifiers are the smallest and are the best choice if you need a humidifier while traveling. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.